Let's start the fresh chapter. Measurement of weight. You know what is weight? Tell me in chat box. What is weight? Will tell me what is weight? Yes, Ruhi, you want to say?
Weight means vazan.
Yeah, vazan. Okay. So for example, I have two things in my hand. You have to raise your hand to answer me. Okay. I have two things in my hand. One is notepad. Another one is pen. So which weight is heavier? Okay, weight is the heaviness or lightness of something measured by standard and non-standard thing. Okay, great. You can write in the chat box which one is heavier, notepad or pen. Faster. The answer is very simple. Of course, notepad. So notepad is heavier. Can you show me two things where one is lighter and another one is heavier? Like I have shown you. Okay, one by one you have to tell me. Krishna, which one is heavier, which one is lighter?
Ma'am, I have two things in my hand. One is pencil and the other one is an AC remote.
Yeah.
The lighter one is the pencil and the heavier one is the AC remote.
Good. Next, Ishanbi.
Yes, ma'am. The book is heavy and the tape is light.
Okay, good. Ruhi.
Ma'am, the pencil is lighter and the wireless headphones are heavier.
Good. Next, Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am.
You have two things in your hand. One is light and heavy. I told you to bring. What is this? Show me in the camera. Yeah. Both are pens. Both carries equal weight. Bring me something else. Huria. Yes. What you have in your hands?
Book and box. Book is heavy and box is light.
Okay, good. Mishika.
The speaker is heavier and the pencil is lighter.
Good. Yes, Ayansh. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have a book. I have a pencil.
Which is heavy
Book.
and which is light?
Pen. No.
Good. Yeah, pen is lighter. Okay, so this is called a measurement of weight. Okay, so this is just a rough estimation. By, holding something, you can easily know which is heavier and lighter. So that is called a rough estimation. But if I tell you to tell me the exact weight of something, for example, I'm giving you example. My weight is 50 kg. Okay, so this is the exact weight that I have measured. Do you know your measurement of weight? Yes, Krishna.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my weight is roughly from 30.
Don't tell me roughly, because roughly we have done. Tell me the exact.
I actually haven't measured my weight for almost a week or two.
It's okay. What was the week before 2? What was the weight of your before 2 weeks?
It was 32 kg.
Good. The weight we always measure in kg, kilogram. That is called kilogram. Anything else we can measure the weight besides kilogram? You can raise your hand. Yes, Ishanvi. Yes, Ishanvi. Are you saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ruhi.
Heavier boxes, but they are in same kilogram weight, like 50 kilogram.
Okay, kilogram. But if it is something lighter, so what is the standard of unit we can measure?
We can measure in
Okay, Krishna. Sorry, you know? Krishna, do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you are talking about the standard unit of light objects.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. For light objects, we use the standard measurement unit of gram.
Exactly. See, the very lighter is milligram. Okay, then comes gram, and the most heaviest is kilogram. Like we have done in measurement of length, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Likewise, we do in weight, milligram, gram, and kilogram. Okay, let's start. Who would like to read? Shanvi.
Yes, ma'am. In measurement of mass weight. In everyday life, we usually compare the mass of different objects. We can compare the mass of two things by lifting or holding the objects with our hands and find out which object is heavier or lighter. But everything we cannot lift or hold, and this type of measurement are not accurate. They are just rough estimates. Example, if we hold pencil on one hand and book on other hand, we easily can say that book is heavier than pencil.
Yeah, thank you. So basically, is there any need to hold everything to measure? We can, see things and measure that whether it is lighter or heavier. For example, Ruhi, you have, I think, table behind you, right? Table or bucket. So there is there is any need to, hold that table? No. You can easily say that which one is heavier. Of course, table is heavier, right? And the bucket is the lighter. So there is no need to hold everything. We can see and tell what it is, the heavier and the lighter. Okay, we can differentiate. So these things we can call rough estimation. We don't know the exact whether they are in kilogram and how much kilogram they are in. Okay. Another example I have already given you, like in one hand we are holding pencil and in another one we have book. So we know that book is heavier and pencil is lighter. Next one, Mishika, read.
can I read? Mass weight. Weight. Measuring the mass of an object is also known as weighing the object. Use different
weighing scales or weighing machines to weigh objects. Okay, measurement of mass. Mass means weight. So measurement of weight we also called weighing object, weighing machine, right? So we have to use something to measure accurate. For example, you measure your weight on weighing scale. Sorry, weighing machine. This is called weighing machine. You have to stand on it and this will tell you what is your exact weight in kilogram.
In case of something.
Yes, Krishna. Wait, Mishika. Yes, Krishna.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kilogram is not the heaviest unit, but it is the heaviest unit till which we are learning. The heavier units are as follows. The next one is quintal, which is equal to 100 kilograms, and next one is ton, which is equal to 1000 kilograms.
Very good. We will learn this. Okay, wait. We will learn this in our chapter. But I am telling you the basic one. The basic one is gram and kilogram, right? Yeah. So yeah, this is weighing machine. Now read, Mishika, the second point.
In case of balance scale, when two objects weigh the two pans of weighing scales and weighing scales are said to be balanced and stay at the equal level, and when one object heavy and other is lighter, the pan with the heavier object goes down and the pan with the lighter object goes up.
Very good. So for the heavier one, the weight always go down, and which is the lighter goes up. So this is the balance scale. Can you tell me what is the use of balance scale? You can write your answers in the chat box. Where do we use the balance scale? Have you ever seen this balance scale in any grocery shop or something like that? Or fruit sellers, grocery shop have these type of balance scale? Yeah, Ishanvi, in shops. So who will tell me what is the use of this balance scale? What is the use of this balance scale? Who will tell me? Yes, Ruhi.
The use of balance measurement.
Who is that? Wait.
Weights.
One by one. Yes, Ruhi.
Ma'am, the balance scale uses that the weight that is a rule in the shops that on the weight only we can pay.
Yeah. For example, you have purchased something like wheat flour. You have, okay. So in one you have wheat flour, and another one have that weighing. You can say that stones of weight, right? For 10 kg, 50 kg, we have different one. So this is how we can weigh in balance scale. Okay, what is the use of this scale? Suppose you have something in your poly bag. That poly bag you can hang there, and it will tell you the weight in numbers.
Yeah, which plastic bag or any bag we can hang over there, and
and it will tell the weight of that.
It comes over there.
Exactly. This we basically have to measure the heaviest thing. For example, the large sacks of wheat. right? Something very heavier. Yeah. So we can put here and it will tell you the exact weight.
Yeah, they are in hospitals.
Really?
Yeah, one day I was gone to hospital. There was this.
Okay. Might
Many
be
hospitals
have seen.
I saw that. Ma'am, may I say something?
Yes.
Ma'am, please go to the previous slide.
Previous, this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, that one which is that the most left right one, yes, ma'am. The one that have circled it, we use them in the big grocery stores where we have to measure
The large sacks of wheat, rice, right?
sacks of wheat, rice. Sometimes there are boxes of kilograms of wheat.
Exactly. For heaviest thing. Good.
Ma'am, I go to the toilet.
Okay, here I am giving you 5 minutes break. I'll meet you after break. Okay, it's showing. Okay, let's continue with our topic. Measurement of mass. Who will read, Puria? Would you like to read?
Yes, ma'am. We need to use
The table.
table units to measure the masses of objects. The standard unit of mass is the gram. We write gram as G. 1,000 grams put together make a bigger unit called kilogram. Kilogram is written as kg is short. 1,000
Milligram.
milligram put together make a gram. Milligram is written as mg is
In short.
1 kg, 1,000 kg and 1 kg, 1 kilogram, 1,000
Milligram. We measure lighter objects in milligram and gram.
measure
Whereas
light of objects is milligram and gram. Measure heavier object in kilogram.
okay, thank you. Ayansh. We measure the lighter objects in which standard of unit?
Ma'am,
We measure the lighter objects in which standard of unit? Ruhi,
yes, ma'am.
we measure lighter objects in which standard of unit?
Ma'am, we measure lighter one in milligram.
Yeah, milligram and gram, both.
Gram.
And the heavier one, Ishanpi?
Ma'am, we measure it in kilogram.
Kilogram, good. So one thing I would like you to know, see, you can write it somewhere if you would like to, okay, because it will come again and again. The smallest one is milligram. After milligram, gram is big, it's bigger, and after gram is kilogram, that is biggest, kilogram. Okay, in 1 gram we have 1,000 milligram. If we have 1,000 milligram, it will make 1 gram. So 1 gram is equals to 1,000 milligram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. You can write somewhere if you would like to, but it's good if you remember or you already knew it.
Ma'am, I already knew it.
Good. Okay, good, Ruhi. Ishanvi? Good. Vishika, done?
Ma'am, I have already done.
Okay, good, Huria. Ayansh, done?